How to share YouTube link on Instagram story. First, open YouTube on your device. Then select a video that you want to share. Tap on the three dots at the right side of the video. Then select Share. Tap on Copy Link to copy the video's link. Now open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Now choose a photo or video from your gallery that you want as the background. Then click on the sticker icon at the top. Then select Link. Paste the link in the text box. You can also customize the sticker text if you want. Just like so. Tap on Done once you're satisfied. You can also tap on the text for various styles. Once you're satisfied, tap on Your Story to post. And that's it.